Ever wondered how some people keep their cool under pressure while others lose control? That's where emotional regulation comes in. It's a vital component of mental health and can significantly improve your quality of life. Emotional regulation isn't about suppressing your feelings, but rather about managing them effectively. It's about responding to stressful situations in a balanced way. It's a skill that can be cultivated and fine-tuned over time. Emotional regulation is key to a balanced life, and today we're going to explore how to master it. Imagine you're stuck in traffic and you're late for an important meeting. How do you react? Picture this. Instead of letting stress take over, you take a moment. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, hold for a moment, then exhale slowly. This is deep breathing. It's like hitting a pause button on your stress, giving your mind and body a chance to regroup. This simple technique can lower your heart rate, ease tension, and shift your focus away from the stressors. With deep breathing, you can turn a stressful situation into a moment of calm. Picture yourself in a heated argument with a friend. What's your next move? Amid the chaos, the answer might be simpler than you think. Mindfulness. Think of mindfulness as a pause button, a moment to check in with yourself. It's a way of grounding yourself in the present moment, rather than getting lost in the whirlwind of emotions. Start by taking a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then let it go. As you breathe, notice the sensation of the air filling your lungs and then leaving your body. By focusing on the breath, you've already begun to practice mindfulness. But it doesn't stop there. It's about accepting the present moment without judgment. It's about acknowledging your emotions, not as good or bad, but simply as they are. This acceptance can diffuse tension, making room for a more measured response. By practicing mindfulness, you can navigate through emotional highs and lows more smoothly. Remember a time when you had a big presentation or an exam and you were feeling anxious? That feeling of unease can be mitigated by practicing positive self-talk. This mental strategy involves replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations to boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Imagine, instead of thinking, "I'll never pass this test," you tell yourself, "I've studied hard and I can do this." Or instead of worrying, "This presentation will be a disaster," you reassure yourself by saying, "I've prepared well and I know my stuff." By consciously shifting your inner dialogue to a more positive tone, you're essentially rewiring your brain to respond to stress differently. This doesn't just give you a temporary confidence boost, it also helps in reducing long-term stress and improving your overall emotional health. Incorporate this technique into your daily routine and watch how it changes your perspective and resilience. Positive self-talk can transform your mindset and empower you to handle stress better. Now that we've explored some strategies for emotional regulation, what's next? Let's quickly journey back through what we've uncovered. First, we dove into the world of deep breathing, a technique as simple as it sounds, yet powerful in its effect. It's all about inhaling calm and exhaling chaos, creating a soothing rhythm that can guide us through stress. Next, we ventured into the realm of mindfulness, a practice rooted in staying present and engaged with our environment and emotions. It's about tuning in, not tuning out, creating a bridge between our thoughts and feelings. Lastly, we explored the landscape of positive self-talk, a tool for reinforcing our self-esteem and resilience. By flipping the script and speaking kindly to ourselves, we can navigate through stressful situations with more grace and strength. These strategies are your tools, your allies in the journey towards better emotional regulation. They aren't quick fixes, but rather lifelong practices to embrace. Remember, emotional regulation is not a one-time fix, but a lifelong practice. So take a deep breath, stay present, and keep the positive self-talk going.